The next property of Laplace transform is time scaling property. Time scaling property. Let us see this property. If x of t's function Laplace transform is say x of s with ROC say R, region of convergence is say R. As you know that the time scaling is nothing but as t is replaced by at. That means x of at's Laplace transform is 1 by mod a x of s by a with the region of convergence is simply R divided by a. Let us prove this very important property, time scaling property. So what we want to find out? We want to find out the Laplace transform of x of at. For this, let us take case 1, a greater than 0. What we want to find out? We want to find out the Laplace transform of x of at. Just substitute x of at in the definition of Laplace transform. Integral minus infinity to infinity x of at into what is the transformation? E power minus st into dt. So let us substitute at with some other variable. Let at is equal to tau, which implies dt will become d tau by a. So if you substitute the limit t is equal to minus infinity, tau will be minus infinity. If you substitute t is equal to infinity, tau will be infinity. So that means the limits will not change. Let us make the substitutions in the above integral. So that means the limits will not change. X of tau e power minus s. If you replace t by tau by a, writing s by a in one bracket, tau, what is dt? d tau by a, right outside. So what is this? This is the Laplace transform definition. The function, the answer will come as a function of s by a. If s is here, the answer will come as a function of s. Since s by a is here in the formula, the answer will come as a function of s by a. So therefore, the answer is written as 1 by a. The answer for this integral will come as a function of s by a. 1 by a into x of s by a. Let us take the case 2, where a is less than 0. Let us find out the Laplace transform of x of minus at. Just to substitute in the bilateral Laplace transform definition, integral minus infinity to infinity x of minus at into the transformation is e power minus st into dt. Just to substitute minus at with some other variable, let minus at is equal to tau. So what is dt? So dt is equal to minus d tau by a. So the limits will change. The limits will change from infinity to minus infinity. X of tau. See here, this is written as e power of minus of t is replaced by minus tau by a. I am writing like this, minus of s by a into tau. So minus tau by a, I have taken minus here, into what is dt? dt is minus d tau by a, right, minus 1 by outside. So change the limits, this minus sign will cancel out. So therefore this can be written as 1 by a into integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau into e power of minus s by a into tau into d tau. So what is the answer of this integral? 1 by a into, the answer will come as a function of minus s by a. So therefore the answer for this integral is written as minus s by a. So from case 1 and case 2, we can conclude that from case 1 and 2, we can conclude that Laplace transform of x of at is given as 1 by magnitude of a. That means if minus a or plus a is there, you take magnitude of that, and x of s by a. So therefore this is written as x of at's Laplace transform, that is given as 1 by mod a into x of S by A with the region of convergence is R divided by A. So this is the property is called as time scaling property. What is the corresponding Fourier transform property? If x of t's Fourier transform is x of omega, let us recollect this formula. X of at formula is 1 by mod a into, instead of x of s by a, we write it as x of omega by a. So this is the next property, which is called as the time scaling property, another important property in the examination. Thank you.